Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assessing the damage and preparing the immediate area. Gently remove loose debris and keep the displaced turf close. You will reuse it. Use a T or Divot tool to loosen compacted edges so the piece will sit flat later. Once done, collect any sand/seed mix and a clean tool. Make sure to choose seed only if the turf is missing or shredded. Begin now. Acting quickly preserves roots and increases your chance of a seamless repair. You carefully reposition the displaced turf so the grass blades point the same direction as surrounding turf. This ensures visual continuity and proper root orientation. Use the Divot tool to slide soil under thin edges, filling voids so the crown doesn't sit proud. Once the piece is level, sprinkle a thin 0.5 to 1 cm layer of sand or sand/seed. Mix into any remaining gaps to support contact and drainage. Make sure the turf edges meet tightly to encourage rapid healing. You finish by securing the repair. Press the turf firmly with your foot or a flat board to ensure good soil contact, but avoid heavy stomping that compacts the root zone. Lightly water to settle the material and activate seed. Make sure moisture reaches the joint but doesn't puddle. Mark the spot and keep traffic off for 24 to 72 hours depending on weather. If the turf lifts later, reseed it, add sand to the gap, and reseed any bare areas as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.